Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to open Microsoft Word using run command. So guys, if you want to open Microsoft Word using run command, so very easy. Firstly, Windows key plus R key type here WinWord WENWORD. After click on OK. There it is. So guys, this is very simple. Firstly, Windows key plus R key type here WinWord. Click on OK. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to open Microsoft Word using run command. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.